Hi guys, today we're going to learn in this simple lesson how to do a snare marching beat. Now this is a beat that is used in slow music, and usually it starts off when the whole band is not playing, maybe just a few instruments, and it's really quiet. So you want to play something that is soft. It features the hi-hat as well that is playing quarter notes for us, and the bass drum is playing on 1. So let's start with the snare pattern. We'll do it slowly and we'll see how it goes. Now the accent is on 2, the end of 2, and the end of 3. So it sounds like that. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. We're going to add a little roll on the last part for E and So it's just like a press roll for E and For E and Hope you got that. Now let's put in the bass and the hi-hat. So we can also do a variation using the high tom, the mid tom, and the floor tom. So here's how it goes. Snare, high, snare, mid floor, snare, high, snare, mid floor. So the rest of the snare drum will be played as a ghost note, really soft. Put in the leg. Alright, so now let's play it with a song. So I hope you enjoyed that, and use it all the time, when the music is soft and when you need a snare marching beat. The thing you got to work on is on your hi-hat. You got to make sure that it's really constant. It's really hard to balance on just getting that quarter notes inside there. So work on the hi-hat as well as I think it's a really nice pattern to use. So use it often, especially when the music is really soft and you need a snare marching piece to go along. So have fun, and I'll see you around.